What's good, Jake Paulers? No, I'm just kidding. But welcome back to another video on the channel. Bang! Trader recap today. Yeah, I'm gonna go over it real quick, and yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through what I took today, and I took this live for free in my Discord. So if you want to join that, link in bio. It's literally free. You can join every single live trading session for free. You can watch me trade for free, only for a limited time. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I don't know how long the limited time is, but the point is, take advantage of it. Link in bio. Completely free, no catch, no anything. So yeah, we had over like 100 people in the live today. So y'all gotta pop out. But caught a W today. The nastiest dub I think I've ever caught, and I mean that in like a gross way. Like this PA is gross. But it still hit nonetheless, and our analysis still played out. So I'm not complaining. But yeah, gonna go over it today. Before I get into that though, I just want to say, make sure to use code CRV at MyFooted in Alpha. Alpha had a really good deal last week. It's over, so I think MFF is fighting back. MFF is doing 33%. They've never done a percentage that big, other than 50%. But for multiple uses, 33%, 3 accounts, 100K and 150K only. So not 50Ks, but their 100Ks and 150Ks are all 33% off if you use code CRV. So go take advantage of that. $0 activation fees, instant payouts, all that. Very good firm, very respected firm. One of the most popular firms in the space. I love them a lot. So go check them out. Anyway, to get into this trade, basically, I'm not gonna. A lot of these trader caps are gonna be a lot of the same thing because again, I do the same thing every day. But I mark out 5 and 15-minute gaps. Marked out a 5-minute here. As you can see, a 5-minute gap. Marked out a 15-minute here. There was not any other gaps that interested me, and there's also not a lot to choose from either. So didn't really have. I marked also this 5-minute when we made it, but obviously we never came down to it, so I never ended up having to use it. And then yeah, so basically waiting for one of these to get inversed after we had the move to today. Waited. We were consolidating. We finally broke out of this like consolidation, like a little like trend line thing here going on here that we broke out of. I don't really trade that, but we're finally getting out of this consolidation. We start moving up pretty aggressively. We have this really big rejection wick on the 1 minute, and then we engulfed it. Well, we looked really bullish off it. I think this top wick happened like right at the end, right before it closed. But the point is, we looked really bullish. I liked how bullish we looked, especially off of this rejection. Now how we're still keep going up pretty, good. This 1 minute closed really good. So what did I do? Set my limit order at the 50% level at 23.52550. We got tapped in longs right there. Set TP to the London Eye. I almost set my TP to here but 24 points. I was like, that is good. Don't get me wrong, and it still would have been a 1-to-1, so I wouldn't have been mad. A lot of people, I told a lot of people like, if you want to have a closer TP, this is where I would put it. Which obviously it hit almost right away. But I had my TP up here actually at first, and I'll go into what happened in a second. But yeah, so we'll hold my TP there. 43 points, 21 point stop. So very good RR for me. A 2 RR is really good for me. I only usually go for like 1 to 1.5 to be honest. But recently, I don't know. Maybe I've just been in my bag and I've been feeling myself. It's probably going to bite me soon. But I've been running some bigger RRs because I've just been feeling myself, Chad. I've been hitting like all my trades. I've been trading really good. I've been cooking. So, but yeah. We also had bullish SMT on the lower time frame, which is nice. And yeah. So we got the entry here and then set my TP there. But I was telling my chat the whole time, I was like, hey guys, we have this 15-minute here. I'm very interested to see if we reject off it, how we react off it. We got to look for that. If we reject off it, we might want to go break even, stuff like that. So anyway, we get the rejection here. And anyway, we go up a little bit. We come up. We got up to about 24.5 points, which would have been my first TP. So a lot of people took their profit there, which I'm really glad about. And then me personally though, I said like, hey guys, this is a place where I would probably take either some off. I'm personally going to hold my whole position. I'm going to hold it till my TP, but I understand getting out here at the 15-minute because, there's some uncertainty there. You want to get out at uncertainty, take your profit. But a lot of people held it too. A lot of people took profit. It doesn't matter. As long as you're green on the day, you're green on the day. But anyway, we held it. It came down. Came down at our break-even point. A lot of people got stopped out break-even here, which I'm unfortunate about. Me, personally, I got out at 30 points profit. I got out right here, which is very, I won't say, I mean, I guess you could say lucky, but basically I was just like, sometimes if it's not moving as smooth as I want it to, I'll get out at like 20 points, but then I was like, ooh, we're up at 30 points, and we got this top wick, so I got out like right here at this, when we became that white candle there. And so I took my 30 points, which I'm very happy about. But obviously, looking back at it, came down to break even. A lot of people got stopped out break even, but a lot of people also held. And as you can see, it edged TP here. I'm sure a lot of people took out here, and then we ended up hitting TP. Because again, it was a good draw. The 5-minute looks a lot better, even though it still doesn't look great. It looks very wicky, but 5-minute rejected off this 5-minute gap again. Came up, looks good, good bottom wick, good expansion, all that. So pretty good trade nonetheless. And, whether you took profit at 20 points, whether you took profit at 30 points, whether you took profit at 40 points, whether you took profit at full TP, it's all good. It's all green, right? Obviously, looking back, I should have just set my TP, set my stop loss, and let it sit. But, on these choppy days like this, when I'm looking at the PA, when I'm seeing us reject a 15-minute, when I'm seeing us struggling to get past 15-minute, when we're not making clean higher lows and higher highs, I'm okay to take my 30, 20 points. And so that's what I did today. So, not mad at it. Really wish I could have hit full TP here because, that would have been cool to say, hey, I caught 43 points today. But I'm going to have to title this video how I caught 30 points today, which is still pretty good. But, and yeah. I can't even make it cool. I try to make my titles how I caught 30 points in 3 minutes, but I actually caught 30 points in how long? It's 15 minutes, which isn't that cool. So, anyway, W trade though, little choppy, but hopefully that we can have some more cleaner non-choppiness tomorrow. But it still hit our draw, which is the important part, and we still pretty much had no drawdown except for this little dip down right there. So I'm not complaining at all. W trade from me, and yeah. You guys should join the next trading session tomorrow. Live trading, 9:30 every single day, every morning for free, limited time. I don't know how long I'm going to do it, but you guys have been loving it, so I'm going to keep doing it. People have been banking. If we go to the Discord real quick, I'll just show you guys that. I forgot to tell people to post their profits today, so there's going to be nothing in here, but this guy made barely anything. But if I go to trade, why is Army DMing me? But if I go to trade profits, I literally forgot until 10 minutes after stream. But AJ made 500. This guy made 3K. This guy made 700. And I think this guy's one of my best people in the Discord. He cooks, bro. He has 5 XFAs, I think. But Santi, 700, 600 from Easton. And if you go to me and Easton's chat, I'm waiting. He's about to get his payout. He just took a payout the other day from, trading with me, trading on stream and, learning and using good risk management. That's the most important thing. But yeah, good trade today. I'll end it there. Code CRV, 33% off all modified futures accounts. Code CRV at Alpha as well. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow for more live trading. Join that link in bio. If you want to do one-on-one mentorship, that's there. I don't really promote it, but it's there if you want it. And I'll message you about that. And if you want funny trading merch, crvshirts.com right there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more live trading and another trade recap. Peace, chat. CRV out.